This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs step by step. First, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You will need 2 or 3 fresh eggs, a non-stick pan, and a small amount of cooking fat, such as butter or olive oil. Also, have a spatula, a bowl, and a whisk ready. Ensuring everything is prepared makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the eggs for cooking. Carefully crack 2 or 3 eggs into a clean bowl. For enhanced flavor, add a small pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Using a whisk, beat the eggs vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This ensures a consistent texture when cooked, so take your time with this step. With your eggs prepared, it's time to cook them. Place a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Once warm, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or your chosen cooking oil, allowing it to melt and coat the pan. Then, pour the whisked eggs into the pan. Let them sit undisturbed for approximately 30 seconds to begin setting around the edges before you start to stir. To finish, gently push the cooked eggs from the edges towards the center of the pan using your spatula. Continue this motion, folding and stirring, for about 1 to 2 minutes until they reach your desired consistency. Remember, eggs cook quickly, so remove them from the heat immediately to prevent overcooking. Serve your delicious, freshly cooked eggs warm and enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.